Good evening, everyone. Thanks for joining us tonight on Valley News Live at 5. Here's a live look at our Luther Family Ford Skycam network here in South Fargo. The clouds have yet to completely overtake the area, but they will be building in here over the next few hours. Already seeing some decent cloud cover across the southern half of the valley, in addition to some light rain showers. Those are continuing to move to the east. Meanwhile, across portions of the northern valley back towards the Devil's Lake Basin and central North Dakota, seeing some stronger storms along with plenty of thunder and lightning. I do expect most of those to fall apart as they continue to push to the east before rain becomes more widespread across the valley overnight tonight. Right now in Fargo, still seeing a good deal of sunshine. 89 degrees. A breeze is out of the north-northeast at 8 miles per hour. Our sunrise today was at 5:39. Sunset is going to be at 9:24, and Moorhead still holding on to 90 degrees. 89 at this hour in Grand Forks. A bit more cloud cover building in, feeling like 88. The breeze also a little higher out of the north-northwest at 12 miles per hour. So not windy, but becoming a little breezier. Sunrise was at 5:36. Sunset tonight at 5:29. We do have some rain-cooled air across the north. 79 at this hour in Devil's Lake, 78 in Langdon, and where you see these oranges along the North Dakota-South Dakota border, closer to that 79, 80 degrees. Meanwhile, Wadena is still holding on to 90 degrees at this hour. Now, in your hour-by-hour forecast, we'll continue to see the cloud cover increase, and this area of showers and storms that's currently in central North Dakota is going to gradually push to the east, but it's going to take a while. Here we are now by 11:15 p.m. and most of the rain is still out in central and south central North Dakota. It's during the overnight hours that it starts to become more widespread across the valley, with the heaviest rain across southeastern North Dakota by the early morning hours of your Tuesday. Still likely to see some light rain showers across the north, but I do expect the heaviest rain and some embedded non-severe thunderstorms across the south. This continues for several hours of your Tuesday morning. Here we are by 8:45, still seeing scattered showers and rain finally moving out of our region by the mid-afternoon hours of your Tuesday. We gradually dry things up, still looking a little breezy for tomorrow with gusts into that 20-mile-per-hour range, and hopefully we'll see a little bit of sunshine working from the north to the south before the sun sets, but it's going to be a cooler day with the rain. Speaking of the rain, here's what we're looking at for forecast rainfall amounts. Areas in green between 1/2 inch and 1 inch. Areas in yellow between 1 to 2 inches of some beneficial rainfall. Unfortunately, not quite as much up along that international border. Temperatures tomorrow: grab the rain jacket, the sweatshirt, and the umbrella. It's going to be a cool one with temperatures only in the 60s to near 70 degrees. And we do have more rainfall in the forecast if you miss out on this batch Thursday and into Friday. But your 7-day forecast shows cool temperatures continuing before warming up as we head into next weekend.
All right. Thanks so much, Summer. Tropical storm Elsa has started to hit the Keys and parts of central Florida, then churn out to sea through to the Carolinas. Right now, Elsa sits along the southern coast of Cuba before it begins to make an impact on Florida. The National Hurricane Center shows the system with winds of 65 miles per hour. Tracking shows the movement of the storm out of Florida and into South Carolina Thursday morning, into eastern North Carolina, then off the coast by the weekend. A tropical storm warning remains in effect for the Florida Keys. Tokyo police will conduct aerial patrols for the upcoming Olympics and Paralympics using a balloon. A camera installed on the bottom will monitor the flow of people and other movements on the ground from about 300 feet high. The device will be used to check what's happening in the area where many game venues are located. It'll be in operation around the clock starting tomorrow until September. When you watch the upcoming Olympic Games, advanced technology will offer a new interactive experience. The International Broadcast Center just opened in Tokyo. This is where media from around the world will work to provide broadcast and online feeds of Olympic events. And with Japan closed to spectators from around the world, organizers are offering ways for fans to interact with their favorite athletes. The CEO of Olympic Broadcast says viewers will be able to post reactions to the events, which will be seen by the athletes at the competition venues. The Broadcast Center has also set up testing facilities and is taking other precautions against COVID, including a mask requirement.
And we have already welcomed most of the big broadcasters that will be covering the game. So we're intensely doing tests with them, and everything seems to be going very, very, very well.
You can catch all the Olympic action July 23rd through August 8th right here on Valley News Live. Still ahead, fallout in Afghanistan as U.S. troops retreat from a 20-year war.